Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's September 11th, 2024, and today, we've got a lot to unpack. The stock market and Forex scenes are buzzing with some major trends, especially in the tech sector and currency movements. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into what's happening right now in the world of stocks and Forex. Let's kick things off with the stock market. The tech sector continues to be the main attraction. This week, we're seeing some big moves from the heavy hitters. Apple AAPL. Apple shares are in the spotlight after they announced a new line of AR devices. The market reaction? Investors are all in, pushing the stock up by about 3% in pre-market trading. But there's more to it. Some analysts think there could be a bigger wave coming, especially if sales exceed expectations this quarter. Microsoft MSFT. Meanwhile, Microsoft has had a bit of a roller coaster. They've announced new AI-driven cloud services aimed at small businesses, which could be a game changer. However, concerns about potential regulatory scrutiny have put some pressure on the stock. As of today, Microsoft is slightly down by 0.5%, but many believe this dip might be a buying opportunity. Tesla TSLA. Tesla is back in the news with reports of record-breaking production numbers for the Model Y. This has investors feeling bullish, with shares climbing nearly 4% in early trading. The big question on everyone's mind is whether Tesla can maintain this momentum amid increasing competition in the EV space. Now, outside of tech, there are some interesting trends to watch. Energy sector. Oil prices are trending higher again, up about 2% this week. This movement seems to be tied to the latest reports from OPEC on potential production cuts. Energy stocks like ExxonMobil and Chevron are reflecting this uptick, with both gaining around 1% in the past 24 hours. Financials. Over in the financial sector, big banks are bracing for possible new regulations. Shares of JP Morgan and Bank of America have dipped slightly as investors remain cautious. But keep an eye on these. Sometimes, uncertainty brings opportunity.
Shifting gears to the Forex market, let's talk currencies. US dollar USD, the dollar is holding steady against most major currencies after a bit of volatility earlier this week. Some of this calm comes from the recent Fed statements suggesting they might hold off on further rate hikes, at least for now. But with inflation data around the corner, things could change quickly. Euro. The euro has weakened slightly, dropping to a 2-week low against the dollar. This comes after the European Central Bank hinted at a potential pause in rate hikes due to slowing growth in the Eurozone. For traders, this might mean some short-term opportunities to take advantage of the euro's dip. British pound GBP. The pound is under pressure after some disappointing economic data from the UK, especially around industrial production. It's down about 0.8% against the dollar today. Watch for upcoming employment numbers, which could sway the pound one way or the other. Japanese yen JPY. The yen continues to slide against the dollar, now hovering around a 3-month low. Market chatter suggests this could trigger intervention from the Bank of Japan, especially if the yen weakens further. Now, let's talk about some key events to keep an eye on this week. US CPI data. The Consumer Price Index numbers are set to be released tomorrow. This will be crucial for anyone trading the dollar or stocks linked to consumer goods. A higher than expected number could spark volatility across multiple markets. ECB meeting. The European Central Bank is also meeting later this week. With the euro already under pressure, any surprises from this meeting could create waves in the Forex markets. Tech earnings. Last but not least, keep an eye on tech earnings. Several smaller tech companies are reporting this week, and strong earnings could provide a tailwind for the entire sector. So, what does this all mean for you if you are in the stock market, especially with tech stocks? there are plenty of opportunities and potential risks. Stay informed and keep a close watch on those upcoming events. As for Forex traders, be prepared for some movement, especially with key economic data on the horizon. If you found this update helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily updates. Also, let us know in the comments what stocks or currencies you're watching closely this week. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Remember, stay sharp, stay informed, and as always, happy trading!